Hey guys, welcome back. Good to see you. Tonight I decided I was going to try to make some sushi. I've never done that before. I do have a fair amount of cooking experience, but I've never done anything like this before. So I figured as a total beginner, I would give it a shot and show you guys what it's like to try to make sushi if you've never done it before. Let's see what happens. So step one, it seems, would be to thaw the fish. Sushi is not fresh. It's always frozen. And a lot of that is just to make it safe. So a lot of times you will have your sushi come frozen. So I've got a little bit of everything in here. I'm thawing it in very cool water. I don't know a whole lot about sushi, but I do know a fair amount about food, and you want to thaw in cooler water rather than warm water so you don't accidentally start a cooking process. But we've got a little bit of tuna, we've got some salmon, save some money getting skin on, seaweed salad, and really fish, cooked shrimp, butterflied, ready to go, hamachi, which is yellowtail, got some mackerel down in there somewhere, and of course some tuna. So we have a good meal ahead of us. One of the first things that we have to make sure to do is wash the rice, and wash the rice again. And as I've been told, as soon as you think you're done washing the rice, it's time to also wash it again. So this is the first wash that I've done on it. You're starting to see how milky white that is. What we're doing is we're washing off the starches, and if we don't do this process, our rice will end up way too sticky. And so we want to wash the rice, wash the rice, wash the rice until this liquid is not flowing quite so milky anymore. So let's do that about a half dozen times. So I think I washed it enough. And as I've been told, when you think you've washed it enough, wash it one more time. So even though I've washed it a billion times, I do what I'm told. So another important thing that we're doing is this Japanese rice cooker is based off of a Japanese cup, which is not an American cup. So if you want to use the lines inside the machine, you have to make sure to use their cup to measure out the rice. I also got some Japanese shrimp miso soup, but the instructions aren't very clear, so I'm just gonna have to figure it out. Also got shishito peppers, no problem, and shrimp and pork dumplings, a boatload. I cheated and bought my ginger, but I've got enough challenges on my hands. All right, so we're making white rice basically right now, steamed white rice. In order to make it sushi rice, we got to make what's called raisu, which is a vinegar, sugar, salt mixture that goes in, and that gives the rice that really unique sushi rice kick or bite or whatever you want to say. Now I used white sugar. I have seen brown sugar in a few recipes, but most recipes use white sugar, so that's what I'm going with. I did a pink Himalayan sea salt conversion on kosher salt, so I ended up with about 2.5 tablespoons when the recipe was calling for 3. And then also 6 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. I'm gonna end up putting this in the microwave for a little while. I guess I could put it on the stove too, but I'm gonna do the microwave. Yes, I am. So I can put this in the microwave for about 45 seconds instead of doing the stovetop. Save a little bit of time. All I'm doing is making this rice soup, and my rice should be ready in about 20 minutes. So that ended up fitting pretty well into my flow.
Cheyenne mentioned it, and I was like I had to text her on the original text her, and I was like, side note, I did not know that Steve sang in Monday, but it totally makes sense, and holy shit, my mind's blown.
That's mind-blowing.
Isn't that crazy?
That's like when I first found out that Eric Clapton played guitar in While My Guitar Gently Weeps. It was like, Jesus.
So like
really?
Kerry King played on No Sleep Till Brooklyn. Kerry King from Slayer. I just want this. I want your finger, rice finger.
My finger rice shoe?
Wait, so what'd you get for the 4th anniversary?
Oh, I like what you did there.